Come on, just wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. You're not dead.
Hi guys, Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio. Before we get started, two things I want to mention to you today. First and foremost, a humongous thanks to all the members of my channel, like Sean Hammond, Tony Allen, Vanguard historians Charles Sutherland, John Evans, and Drawing Illustrations and Art. These guys have been incredible. They've been with me for so very long, supporting me for years as paying members of this channel. Deeply appreciate them, and I have always told them when I remember that I'm going to shout them out here on each video. The second thing I want to mention is that this whole video wasn't going to happen. This was merely a test to test out the Quest 2 in a new little setup that I have going on right behind me here. And so I wasn't going to release it. This was merely a test, but it ended up being rather funny. So I want you to see it. I think you'll laugh. So the audio didn't record right. So I'm going to have Emmett put in a couple of sound effects and things to try and liven it up. But yes, the audio of the game did not record properly. No idea why. I played the other video before I uploaded into my editing software, and it's all in fast forward. No clue why. If you have any clue why, leave a comment down below. And we're going to get into this thing. So thank you so much for watching and putting up with no audio. Emmett will take care of the rest of it. Thanks, Emmett. Appreciate it.
Put your hands here. Okay? Here's my question. Do I need these, or could I actually use my real hands? Hey, look, it's Gary. I think I've talked about Gary in the past. Gary's actually over there watching the camera right now, but yeah, we've had Gary on here many times before. Hi, how you doing? I'm trying to... Ow! Okay, ow, ow, ow. You go back over there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's in the drawers? Nothing yet? Okay. But hey, stay in there. Stay in there. I'm very curious if I could do this without using my hand, without needing these things. Oh, maybe I can. I'm going to try it. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. I'm going to take off the mitts, the mitsies, and I was about to set them here on the table. Okay. There we go. All right. So I'm going to just set these on the floor. Oh! Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to go to resume. Okay. So I did a bunch of these already, but I haven't done this in a while. So, oh! Okay. So we're going to give this a shot. Whoever did this. Oh! Holy smokes. Yay, it works! Oh man, I'd hate to try and draw caricatures like this. Oh, I would stink. Alright, this looks like you, Sean. No, okay. Never mind. Okay, and I can pick oh, my arms are stretching. Okay. Why can't I move? Oh. Is it like... I'm like stretching my arms. Never mind. Okay. I feel like I need a little bit of a refresher before we get into this, so I'm just going to get right into it. Heart transplant. Here we go. Oh, gotta hold it. Okay, gotcha. Here we go. The moment of the truth. Alright. Oh, dear. He looks okay. I need to open the chest. I don't feel good about this at all. And the thing is, if I open up the chest... isn't he immediately going to start bleeding on me? And I don't know what any of the tools are because I haven't... Oh my gosh. I kind of forgot about this. That would probably be unwise for this part of the procedure. Oh, I don't feel good about this. Can I hold this differently? Oh, I guess not. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. I apologize. Oh, I'm pushing on his stomach. I forgot that it's kind of like you can move him. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. I can't say I love this. Oh dear. He's not losing. Can you stop bleeding, please? Can you stop bleeding? Oh, wait a minute. No! I gotta, like, go around here? Are you serious? Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. This doesn't feel right at all. I mean... Oh, this is not doing good. I mean, this is a scalpel. Isn't that how it's... Oh. Please stop bleeding. Oh, dear. Okay. I can't get over there. Oh, I know what I'm doing. I mean, like, I don't know what I'm doing, but, like all my stuff is going off telling me that I do not know what I'm doing. Oh, come on. Just hang in there. Oh, dear. Oh, this is not going good. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, mi casa. Okay. I don't know what to do. Come on, just wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. You're not dead, I swear you're not. You're still breathing, right? I mean, he's breathing. I don't know what to do. Get back off, get off there, get off there. What am I doing? I'm shocking him. I swear I'm shocking him. I mean, he's running out of blood. I don't, okay. I know he's bleeding. Open chest. I'm trying to open the chest. I want something. Oh, would this open the chest? Oh, that would have opened the chest way faster. Come here, come here. Come, oh dear. No, not his butt, his chest. How do I turn this on? There we go. Okay. Oh, that's so much easier. I know you're gonna die, but we're gonna do this. You're gonna be a study for science, and we're gonna be okay. We're gonna use you for very special. Oh, this is probably not good. I'm probably gonna need that later, but I'm gonna. Can I grab it? Can I? How do I get in? Oh dear. Yes, keep breathing, sir. Breathe. It's been years since I played this game.
Would you like to see more of Emmett's work? There's actually a ton more to this video. We've barely even gotten started. But you're going to have to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment and tell me that you want to see more of his work. Because that took a lot. You want to see more? You'll know what to do. Keep it crispy, my friends. First Tim 412, God bless, and we'll see you next time right here on Legacy Studio. Bye. I'm so sorry, but they're going to say they want more. I'm sorry. I want to let you know that Legacy Studio is a network of YouTube channels that I've created over the years with over 1,500 videos of all kinds. And if you're enjoying this content, I would love to invite you to join me on some of the other content I've made on a few of my other channels. That it would be perfect for you. Now, Legacy Studio is a Christian-owned and operated YouTube network. And I've been making content here since 2010. So, this is family-friendly content for most ages.
Oh no, I'm stuck. I am so 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 stuck. I am so... No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't come here.
And is striving to be a testimony in a climate full of entertainment that goes without moral thought. We try to keep it clean here, but we aren't politically correct. So please, support the cause by checking out a few of the other channels here and maybe getting subscribed. Links will be in the description below.